Okay, we're gonna get into the switch. Now I'm gonna do my best with this because I still have trouble with the switch to this day. So I'm gonna keep it real right there with you guys. I'm not gonna like pretend like I'm high and mighty because I'm really not. To be honest, I'm probably know less than y'all anyway. So, but I'm gonna start with the script, right? This should be all. This should save it. Actually, let's look at that. That's weird. Run the code real quick. Let me test this real quick. Okay, so it's working. So the switch statement. So we use a switch to select like one of many code blocks like that you're trying to execute. So I don't know. Let's say let's start first. Let's just create something a character Naruto or something like that because I like to watch. I like anime. Well, not I really. It's not that I like anime. It's like I like certain ones, and Naruto just happened to be my favorite one. So let's play along with that. And another point I want to make is that we're gonna stop using var. So we're gonna start using const or let to call variables. We used to do var before, but we're gonna stop doing that. So let's just say I need to create a character. So first I'm gonna say const, and I'm gonna call character, call this variable character, and then I'm gonna equal this character to an empty string. So that's how we're gonna start. And then to start a switch, I'm gonna just write switch, and so inside the parentheses, it's gonna be you're gonna put an expression, and then that expression gets evaluated once. So in this case, I'm trying to pick up. For this example, I want to buy a Naruto toy, a type of toy. It could be either Naruto or maybe Sasuke, right? So right now I have character as empty because I don't know which one is which. That's why I left it as an empty string. So let's say inside here I'm going to put character, which is this character I created, which is this empty string because I don't know what character is yet or which character I want. So inside inside you're gonna have some cases. So the values inside the switch, that expression is gonna get compared with values of a case. So each case will have a value. So I'm gonna say here case, and then I'm gonna call this case Naruto. So in this case, I see a Naruto on the aisle and I like it, right? So let's just go with that, right? So case Naruto, put the colon, and then inside this colon or this code block, I'm gonna put console.log. I'm gonna say this item has a price of $45. They're expensive, right? So that's the case. So for example, I walk down the aisle and I see this Naruto action figure and I like it. I pick it up and I look at the price, like, damn, this item costs $45. That's just what happened there. So, I don't like this toy, so it's too expensive. I'm gonna put it down. So you put it back down because you don't want it, and I would associate that with a break. So now let's say I want another option. So another option would be another case. So it would be case Sasuke. Right? I saw Sasuke and then I want to pick him up. I'm going to pick it up. So inside this block, I'm going to put console log, and I'm gonna say this item costs $26. This one's cheaper, right? And then I'm gonna break. Now, if I was to run this code, the way I would do it is now I'm trying to pick up a character. So which one am I gonna decide? So I really like this Naruto toy. So if I was to say Naruto and I save, and if I was to run this code because I picked Naruto, then I would get a message saying that this item costs $45. So I typed Naruto in the character, and so in the switch statement, so the switch statement got evaluated once, and then the value of the expression gets compared to the value of the case. So, and if there is to be a match, then that block of code will get executed. In that case, I put Naruto, so Naruto gets executed. So, but if there is no match, then what we do, we can put in a default code block to be executed. Okay, so for example, let's say after this break, I'm gonna say default, and then I'm gonna say console.log. So let me save it. So if I was to go up here and return this to an empty string, save it, it'll go it doesn't matter what I pick, it will automatically to the default code. I change my mind and I don't get any toys. So now let's say that I take the break out of this, save it, and then run this code. What will happen is that if I pick Naruto and I run it, then Naruto and Sasuke would run, or the item prices will run on both. And the reason why is because there's no break there to just stop the code from continuing. It just continue to the next one, regardless if it's true or false, regardless if it matches or it doesn't match. So I just thought I showed you that as well. That if you forget your break, you're trying to break your code there, and if you forget the break, it's going to execute the next case. So just keep that in mind. Now I'm going to put the break back. And let's say I want the Sasuke toy. So I come on here, I put the Sasuke toy, Sasuke, save it, run it, and then it'll tell me that the item costs $26 because the value because there was a match. So because the Sasuke match we get Sasuke match with that case, then that line of code gets called or executed. This is all for this part of case or the switch statements. We're going to continue on the next couple of videos, maybe just the next one, another video on using the switch statements. So hopefully we'll get a better understanding, you and I together, because honestly I'm still a little iffy about this, but hopefully I helped you out with this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.